Hey there, it's Donald here. Today's tech time. I want to show you one simple easy way how to use aluminum wire to decorate your everyday bud vase. Let's do this. Hey there, today I want to show you a really simple easy way to how to decorate your everyday bud vase. Past few weeks I have some people ask me how to use a aluminum wire to decorate your everyday bud vase, but it's simple and easy to do. So before you're doing this, you have to have some tools. Of course, you want to have aluminum wire and a bud vase. And the other thing is, the other tools you want to have is needles nose plier from Smith or Vases. This is the best tools for wire work. And the other one, maybe if you want to cut a heavy gauge wire, you want a wire cutter. Okay, before I show you step by step how to do this one, I want to show you example first so you know where we're going. So basically this is example. When you see this wire, I just basically wrap around the leg of the vases, and then I just randomly make a circular motion with the wire. So actually this is a really simple way to do the wire work. So let me showing you step by step how to do this. So basically you just need to cut a small pieces of wire like this, and then you just need to make sure the end part is not poking anyone. Make a circle like this. So you can make a big circle. If you want to make a small circle, that's fine too. So basically I'll make a circle like this, and you can just keep continue if you want to, but I'm just gonna make it simple. Curve around, and then you make another circle like this here. Both ends is rounded, and then you just wrap around on the neck of the vase like this, and then you can twist, because I just want to make sure they're not going anywhere, something like that. And then you just basically work with the flow, because the wire is already curved like that. Sometimes you get against it, but I just want to go with the flow. See right now here, when I do this, you can basically do this. This is part of the design if you want to, but I want to go more like rounded, make almost like a flowers. See, so easy. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. See you next time.